Hello traders. Today we are looking at the Doda EMA Indicator for MetaTrader 4. This tool uses exponential moving averages combined with smart filtering to provide cleaner trend direction signals. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember, I want to allow DLL imports. Alright, there we have it, as you can see. On the chart, the Doda EMA provides clear visual guidance on trend direction, as you can see. It generates buy and sell signals by analyzing key variables in the background, similar to how an expert advisor processes data. The signals align with the trend, making it useful for confirming setups from your existing strategy. Bullish candlestick confirmation can strengthen buy signals, and bearish confirmation can strengthen sell signals. As for the settings, the indicator is built on prominent EMA periods such as 7, 14, and 21, though the specific internal parameters handle the filtering automatically. It is designed to work across different time frames and pairs without extensive customization. As for who is for and its limitations, the Doda EMA is best used as a filter for existing support and resistance or trend following strategies rather than a primary signal generator. It suits traders who want additional confirmation before entering trades. It is a visual tool only and does not execute trades. During major news events or high volatility periods, the signals may be less reliable, so always use it alongside your own analysis and risk management. Download the Doda EMA indicator from the link in the description below on the Forex Geek. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more content like this.